Hi, thanks for watching the video on the changes we have rolling out for the WCRA app. I'm going to start off with a leaderboard to kind of introduce you to the idea of a segment. The segments, if you think of it as a season, pretty much align with what you would expect. So what we're doing is we're creating segments based on the WCRA rodeos and when a semifinal or a finals event occurs. So you'll see on the leaderboard you have the ability to now look at the different segments. So you can go back and you can review previous segments to see what you did on the leaderboard, and then you can look at our current segments. So let's actually jump over into a nomination and kind of step you through what the segment looks like from a nomination perspective. Today you can still nominate the same way by finding the rodeo, whether you're putting in the location of the rodeo or the name of the rodeo. I'm going to go ahead and choose the WCRA Rodeo 1 for this demonstration. You're going to notice a couple of changes here. The first one I'm going to talk about is your segment. You'll notice that it is defaulted to Green Bay, which is the current segment. What I can do though is I can actually add a nomination for another segment. So that means if I wanted to try and start getting points to the Days of 47 segment, I can go ahead and select that here. Now what that does for me is it allows me to accumulate points for not only this segment but also an additional segment. With our segments, we're actually resetting the leaderboard. This gives everybody a chance to kind of clean the slate, start fresh, and allows everybody kind of more of an equal run at that segment. Now the next change I'm going to talk about is you'll see the calendar isn't here anymore. What we've done is we've actually created a different view where you can choose the date. Now when you go to choose the date, it's going to show you all the dates available for that specific rodeo that you can nominate for. So instead of having to try and click on those little numbers to select the date that you're going to compete at, you actually have a full bar for that date. Now the one thing to note is you are selecting the date that you're first performing, right? You don't have to choose every performance date, but just the first date that you're performing. So I could select this. It shows that I've selected by the green dot in the corner and changing the color, and then I can continue. This will then confirm that I have selected that date, and then I can continue through the nomination process as I have before with the payment. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any challenges with the app, or if you have questions about how to utilize it, or even if you have ideas on change that you'd like to see. To do that, you can go to click on the dashboard and then click on this Message Us link. That Message Us link will create an email, and then you can just fill in some information about it, and then we'll receive it and respond to it. As always, we do appreciate you guys utilizing our tool. I hope you have a great nomination for this segment, and good luck in the rodeo. Thanks a lot and have a great day.